हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू डीजे इन्वेस्टर। आज हम बात करेंगे पारस डिफेंस आईपीओ के बारे में। ये आज बंद हो रहा है, लास्ट डे है। सो लेट्स क्विकली डिस्कस दिस। सो इफ़ यू सी द बिजनेस, ये 3 सेगमेंट्स में ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं। वन इज़ हेवी इंजीनियरिंग, वन इज़ ऑप्टिक्स एंड अदर इज़ डिफेंस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. So they are capable of manufacturing the special metal components, tubes, titanium and things. Then we have this optics जहाँ पे इन लोग domes, reflectors इस टाइप का equipment बनाते हैं and they have a very good name in it. And third is defense electronics. So but if we see the trend for last 3 years as it is displayed here, तो heavy engineering has doubled business in last 3 years, whereas defense electronics almost half रह गया है इनका, and optics is a stable one. So overall their turnover has not increased or decreased. It's a flat kind of performance. And if we see the net results also, so they have a 9 to 10% net margin. So last 3 years में we don't see any particular growth in this. But yes, they have 2 manufacturing facilities. Talking about the issue, so they are planning to raise 170 crores, out of which 30 crore OFS है जो promoters को जाएगा and rest comes to the company. And they have already completed their anchor book, so they have very good names like HDFC, Nippon, Abacus. They have Ashoka India. They have put in good money, which is 51 crores. So best part is इसमें very less money is going outside the company. And most of it business में ही implement होगा. There was a pre-placement IPO conducted, if you see this. So it was done in March 2021, जहाँ पे 125 rupees में they allotted shares. So gradually then they increased this price to 160 and this was done in July 2021. और अभी जो IPO price आ रहा है वो top band पे 175 पे they are allocating it. So this is what they are given for the fund use. They will buy new machinery, working capital requirement, and they are paying a loan to the tune of 10 crore rupees, which is good for the company. This is basically a small company. And future plans, they are trying to go big into drones, or as we say UAV, unmanned aerial vehicles. So let's see वो कितना इसमें achieve कर पाते हैं. But this is something futuristic. So overall, if you see, financial performance flat है, but yes, there is scope for increasing the market share because they have manufacturing facilities in India. They are operating from 2 facilities, and yes, if this domestic order comes up, they are ready for it. The grey market is very strong. It's almost more than 100%, maybe 200-250 rupees per share it is quoting. Allotment chances for retail will be very less. It will be like just 80 people में से किसी एक को मिलेगा, या it can be even more. Already it has been subscribed more than 65 times right now. And since ये 250 crore से कम का IPO है, it will go into trade to trade segment. But yes, try your luck, apply for it, and let's see if you get it. Kind of a lottery ticket for now. So these are some of the key dates. Listing will happen on the 1st of October. So okay guys, hope you like the information. Happy investing. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to DJ Investor.